Good morning, guys. So what's up? I just took a nap. You know, just wanted to, let's take a nap so that energy. So I'm up. He's up, and we are gonna go down. I'm gonna go eat. Find something good to eat, which there is. I'm gonna show you on, and yeah, I'm gonna show you. Then yeah, go and eat. So hold on, I'm gonna keep this rolling, and yeah, I'm just gonna do my blinds, and yeah, all right. So stay tuned, and hold on. Maybe you can say hi. Let's say hi to him. Let's say hi to him. You said hi. Good job. So yeah, it's good. You guys said hi to him. He said hi to you, and yeah. So it's good. It's good. It's good. It's a good job, guys. Good job. Good job, Tex. You wanna go down now? Okay, let's go. Get up. Get up. Let's go down. Don't look at me. Let's go. Ah, Sissy is looking at me. Come on, let's go get some food. Want some food? Want some food? Want some good food? No wonder it's kind of dark. The clouds. Want some food? Don't look at me. Are you looking at the Mike Nation? Huh? You looking at Mike Nation? Yeah, I just call you guys Mike Nation now, huh? So it's awesome. Yeah. Mike Nation. Wow. To be honest, it's like I'm so used to having you guys. Awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna use the stick, the gorilla pod. Then we should all be good to go in the summertime. So yeah. What else should I talk about? If you hear in the background, that's what he's been doing. That's what he's been doing. Sorry guys, it's just blah 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 blah. Anyways, yeah, let's go down quickly. Let's go down quickly. You guys wanna go see? Oh wait, no. You can see that's me. Hold up. Hold up. I'll ask him. Tax, let's go. Let's go down. Come on, let's go down. Come on. Let's go down. Let's go down. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. I'll continue this vlog, and see you guys pretty soon. We're back, guys. So this is what I'm talking about. Hold on, there's the food right there. This is called caldereta. Some of you Filipinos know what this is. So yeah, chicken nuggets. We call that 1 pound, but it's actually barbecue pork. Cause we call it 1 pound for a reason. Okay, here's the reason. He was laying down as usual. As we asked him, what do you want to eat? We said, like, you want 1 pound? Then suddenly he put one ear up. So that's how it all started. That's how we called him 1 pound. So just for eating. But his real name's Tex. So, right, Tex? Say hi. Hi. You happy? Happy? Yeah, I mean, yeah. So I'm gonna. I showed you that already. I'm gonna start eating pretty soon. Like I been telling you guys a few minutes ago. Oh yeah, my cousin's wife's sister works at Tim Hortons. So this is not a sponsorship. Just to let you know. This is I want to let you guys know. And my dog's looking at me so weird, and I'm smiling. So guys, yeah. So yeah, kitchen's not that big. Everything's good. So yeah. So I'll see you guys pretty soon. And he's just look at him staring. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys pretty soon. So don't forget to like, subscribe, have fun, stay safe, enjoy, and live life to the fullest. And I'll see you guys pretty soon. Peace out. Good vibe, you know. I'm gonna just turn around. You guys can see, right? It was very nice, huh?